Whales have always played a vital role in the crypto market. They buy and sell large amounts of crypto, influencing the price of cryptocurrencies and impacting the broader market trends. Today, we are going to check on-chain data to see what the whales are buying. Before we dive into the details, let's quickly recap what are crypto whales for those unfamiliar with the term. Crypto whales are individuals or entities that hold a significant amount of cryptocurrency, often referred to as whales, due to their immense wealth and influence in the market. When whales make a move, it's worth paying attention. While there are no rules set in stone for what a crypto whale is, it usually refers to investors trading crypto to the tune of millions of dollars. With that being said, let's examine what digital assets have whales recently been accumulating. Let's start with Bitcoin, the world's oldest and largest crypto. Since the start of the year, the number of addresses holding 1,000 Bitcoin or more barely changed. In addition, the number of transactions exceeding $100,000 also shows no clear trend, with the count seesawing since January. However, with the next Bitcoin halving approaching, we could see the uptick in whale activity later this year. So, if whales aren't buying Bitcoin, which cryptocurrencies have piqued their interest instead? At first glance, Ethereum seems to be in a similar position as Bitcoin. The total number of large holders saw a small decline since the start of 2023, dropping by a little more than 1%. However, a look at Ether supply held by top non-exchange addresses paints a different picture. Since January, the amount of Ether held by these investors increased from 27 to 30 million, suggesting that whales who are holding Ethereum have been increasing their positions. The reason for that might lie in the fact that whales see Ethereum as a promising short to mid-term investment. According to our Ethereum price prediction, Ether could see a massive rally towards the end of the year, with the price potentially coming close to surpassing $10,000 in the first quarter of 2024. Polygon is a popular Layer 2 solution for Ethereum. It also seems to be a favorite among crypto whales. Despite Polygon's price dropping by over 15% since the start of 2023, the number of whale addresses holding Polygon increased considerably. The number of whales holding 100,000 Polygon tokens or more increased from 566 at the beginning of the year to 625 at the time of making this video. That's more than a 10% increase. Like Ethereum, the price of Polygon could see significant bullish activity starting later this year and continuing into the first part of 2024. Litecoin, often referred to as the silver to Bitcoin's gold, is another coin whales are keeping an eye on. In the past couple of months, the number of addresses holding 10,000 coins or more increased from 540 to 570, an increase of roughly 5%. One of the reasons why whales have been buying Litecoin could be the next halving, which is expected to take place in late July. Before its last halving in 2019, Litecoin's price surged about 400%, from $30 to nearly $150. A similar market activity could repeat in 2023. The algorithm forecasts Litecoin to grow to $120 by the next halving, an increase of 70% compared to current market rates. Tether, the largest stable coin in the industry, saw the biggest increase in the number of whale addresses in the past couple of months. The number of addresses holding million Tether or more grew from 3,500 to 4,100, an increase of 17% since January. A likely reason for the increase in the number of large Tether addresses is that wealthy investors are currently storing their funds in a stable currency, biding their time before investing in more volatile assets. That wraps up our list of coins that crypto whales are buying. Remember, this information is not financial advice, but rather a glimpse into the market trends and the moves of influential players. Best of luck on your crypto journey.